Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox a binocular, Nikon Aculon A211 8x42 binocular. Yes guys, this is the first time. Amazon থেকে আজকে ডেলিভার হয়েছে এটা। So চলুন আনবক্স শুরু করা যাক। So guys, you can see this is the product I have received. This is tear-foam bottom and also the seal is kind of this. You can see here, and this is almost broken. This seal is intact and perfect. You can see, and this seal is almost broken and tear-foam bottom. I am not sure what about this box is contained is good in shape or not, so let's find out for further unboxing. Just need to check is the bottom part is perfect or not. That's why I open from the bottom. So this is the thing. Let's keep this thing outside. So this is the thing. This is the main content here, and other than the main content, they will provide a manual. Yes, not one. There's a 3 manual thing and one worldwide warranty card. You can see here the worldwide warranty card here, Nikon, and these 3 manuals. Okay, so let's keep them aside, and you can see the box and the carrying case. This is also, you can see the carrying case is kind of damaged here, I guess. So let me check, is it really worth to change, or this is kind of really simple tan. So its look and feel is very premium. Definitely you can use this. Definitely you can use this for any purpose. So I brought this for birding, and the specifications and all that will give in the video itself. You can check here. So in the description box you will get the buying link of this binocular and the description of this binocular as well. Okay, this is packed plastic. So this is the binocular. You can see this is look and feel is very premium. Yeah, Nikon Aculon binocular. This is the cover. This is the cover. Okay, let's zoom in. This is the cover, and also in the objective lens it's also a cover for both the cases. So let's focus on this binocular. So this binocular is 8x42. That means the object lens size is 42.
This binocular Nikon Aculon A211 8x42 comes with a case, neck strap and eyepiece cap. So this binocular do not have any image stabilization. Optical zoom is 8x. This is not required any kind of battery, and this look and feel is pretty premium. The material it's rubber. You can feel it whenever you touch this binocular. The lens type is eco glass. This is the very good quality lens. Sharpness is very good, and you can use it anywhere, but just remember this is not weather sealed. So use this thing very carefully in the jungle. So item weight is 75 gram. This is not so much heavy. And another thing you have to remember, it's pretty clearly, like this binocular, it's not kind of very high zoom, but you have to use it very good way to spotting birds and all. If you are birder, then this is a very helpful, because for birder we have a lot of big lenses and all. For spotting that bird we need a good field of view. So this is it. This is the binocular, lower budget and great quality. So go for it, guys. Also please like, share and subscribe our channel to support us and to get more reviews and unboxing. That's all.